Hi, I'm Julian Hearn, I'm the founder of Huel, and this is our new fantastic office. We're in Tring, Hertfordshire. We picked this because it's got 10,000 square feet of office space, plus we've got 115 car parking spaces, and I'm going to give you a tour. So this is our new entrance area. This is where we have all our big meetings. It can take about 100, 150 people. We've also got the big screens on the TV over there on the wall. So they allow us to speak to our teams all around the world. We've got a team in Berlin, we've got a team in LA, we've got a team in New York, Birmingham and London. So they all Zoom in so we can all see each other, and we have a big hands meeting every month. This is one of our kitchens where we do demonstrations and we bring our new products that people can try. Okay, so this is our boardroom. This is where all the big meetings happen. Plus we have our mission up on the wall there. So our mission is to make nutritionally complete, convenient, affordable food with minimal impact on the environment and animals. It gives us a North Star to go after as well. When we're making decisions, we always come back to what our mission is. This is some of our product ranges as well, so we can just have those up on the wall there. So this is where marketing are based. So there's customer service team over there, our e-com team's there, marketing, CRM, all around the corner. This is our big wall of our mission statement again, how to be a hooligan, and also the company's DNA is based there as well. This is our operations team, it's all open plan. We have no separate office space for individuals. This is our big staff kitchen. This is where we meet, so all the teams right in the middle of the building. So every team can come in here and they can have their lunch, coffee machine, but we all get to meet and sit down together. Obviously Huel products everywhere. This is our last big space where teams are. This is where the people teams sit, recruitment, finance, and new product developments down the far end. Got some hot desking at the end here. We've got some stand-up desks, stand-stick desks where people can try different working experiences out. And now we're back down where we started. One extra sort of bonus we got as well is we've got the warehouse on the back here. So we've got this massive extra space, which currently we've got a pretty high-spec gym over in the corner there, which I can show you in a second. But also we've got this, which is a 2-story office, which is built into the warehouse, which what we're going to do is we're going to convert that into new product development. We're going to make actually a pilot plant. So everybody at Huel is pretty health conscious. So what we've done is that we've got some pretty good spec kit here. 3 squat racks. We've got a bike, rower, cross trainer, multi-gym section in the bit, and there's some stuff here and loads of free weights in the corner. And that's it, that's the tour of the new Huel HQ.